military forces have allegedly carried out two airstrikes on the densely populated residential areas of the Kazakh settlement of Luganskaya and east of the country, causing numerous casualties and major devastation, while witnesses and local authorities insist the deadly strikes were launched by the Ukrainian Air Force. Kiev says devastation was the result of shelling by protesters. RT reported Wednesday. The first plane appeared at Kiev and hit the center of the town, destroying a police building, damaging the courthouse, and razing two houses. We will not know the death toll until the rubble is clear, said Vladimir Belos, the head of the local administration. Belos further added that the second airstrike was even worse, killing at least 9 residents and wounding about 11, including a 5-year-old girl and her father, according to the report. Amateur footage from the bombing site shows multiple impact craters and buildings that lay in ruins and some still burning in fire caused by the strikes. Luganskaya is home to nearly 15,000 people and has not been directly involved in the fighting between government forces and the self-proclaimed People's Republic of Lugansk. The report adds, meanwhile, Kiev's anti-terrorist operation center, which resumed its onslaught on pro-Russia protesters earlier this week, has accused the pro-Russians of unleashing the strikes from the ground to coincide with an aerial patrol. Ukrainian authorities announced on Wednesday that 279 people have died in the nearby Donetsk region since the start of fighting this spring, minus 160 of them civilians. The casualty figures for Lugansk, however, have not been revealed. On Wednesday, Russia, Ukraine, Germany and France negotiated a new ceasefire to be implemented in eastern Ukraine, MFVHJL.